how to refund an Oopbuy. Now in this video, I'm going to show you specific methods for you to be able to process or request a refund on any types of products that you purchase in Oopbuy. So the very first thing that you want to have to do or to keep in mind is to fully understand their returns and refunds policy. So if you go here, you can definitely check out if the specific process that you would like to be or to execute should be listed here. So make sure that it qualifies into their policy before you do process the refund. It's very easy. To process the refund is to log in into your account and then at the top right, access your account profile. And once you're here at your left side, simply go into orders. Now from the orders tab, this is going to be the process. So once you're done with the payment and once the order has been confirmed and you receive, and if you would like to process a refund, then just simply go into your orders, click that specific product that you would like to be refunded, and then just simply send necessary details or requirements for them to provide you the full amount be refunded. And it's going to be depending on the case. And that is how you refund on Oopbuy.